Right, I have 40 for a higher FPNTV GH and our son Eguso anywhere Niguswa, Mr. Sabe, so I will share you know. And ye baby didn't come up across whom you casa for news watch, Nasa Nemasan Action Epimudiane, trending stories are a chagu or for feeding 10 times or so, and I'm there, made it a banamida babasoma, and there, Samatansi Diana, ye call a ye Kofi Adoma money, a stories no so cry, if you are. Yebesan ballroom or Ecosmith asante hence our brand no so ye me say nipa dodo na enim abrante ameka ho asemi we one of the actors in Ghana about a Ghanaian movie or ye very good or ye known person or ye Ghana aha ene matenase Adekye3 Nsem live from FPNTV GH any official all the social media handles no obetimi akọ na akọ hweye se person mpanimfo etwetwe nkomo amsro studio ha obetimi abo ye atutu anamo no aba anase obefa ye numbers no na mpanimfo adi nkomo na so abepiem studio ha na nkomo biara person mpanimfo di no otimi ni mpanimfo aba abedi producer wo ha afa ya branch friend Ecosmith funny picture eto screen so na me mo ne ho nkomo kakra e me se abrante ya oda screen so yi se unimu na Nidia Ghana ha, Nidin Nimun and a different Ecosmith. Nidin pa de Ecosmith Asante. Where one Ghanaian actor, I would just in a movie, Odimu Akutini pa na enchebia na Ghanaian movie industry eba form. Na eba form na branch friend Ecosmith. One Ghana ni ababa wabi o UK, etidim komo enya ayonkofa. Na story no said ye esiko na esiche anase etie ene se abantia no ene eye ababa wani din komo se Ghanaian movie industry no ekofom tiama ni botomanwe ekomote no enti nkebeya nka ababa wa emfa ne nkrata emna me ware ono abantia fe Ecosmith no na abantia no etutu nsem gu ababa wana suma ma na sum ye ne dedede we na no so ma ababa wa ede eye ne nkrata ebe ware ye nua ye fe Ecosmith edin ko pimo UK and UK abontenso Ecosmith ekuta enkrata wade te UK abontenso na we na okoko twi mami young girl no okotwi ni twide pa be 2 years bi nti after se wonya enkrata no na Ecosmith se opebroni na wogya eye ababawa a wade enkrata ebe fa no ho na okokofa eye broni fita na oni ni twi street before say Nsem we mesa aka bio no yankonkohe Ecosmith ni video ababawa obefa ni free Ghana hade ne nkrata abefa no ekohia woni broni ban DAC ewo ho producer yankonkohe bra
where do you go when you disappear?
I work.
Where?
Man got to work.
Where?
Wherever the job takes me.
What job do you do?
What job is this?
What kind of job is that?
What job is it? Well, have you been sent by somebody?
Are you a gigolo?
I am the somebody.
How do you know Lorna?
So this is cheat code, all right? And we're here to facilitate a confrontation because we just want to understand and get to the bottom of what's going on.
No,
and
no.
get some answers.
What's the issue now?
Makes sense.
The issue is I want my life back. I don't want nothing to do with you. She can have you.
Oh, then so
I just want you to tell me the truth and stop telling lies. What is the relationship?
We are
with
friends.
you?
If you listen, if you listen,
have you ever slept together?
Come on, that's a bit private.
Have you ever slept together?
Nah, I don't think I can tell you that.
So you have?
I don't think I can tell you.
Because
that.
you have?
No.
Yes, you have.
No.
You would have said it.
Were you there?
I don't need to be there.
Michelle,
Echo.
little light on the situation? Yes, no, maybe so?
It's a bit
We actually don't want to
private.
be here for that. It's not private. It's not private anymore.
Somebody's sex life is not
Does
private.
this look private?
Is it private to you?
I don't
know you. Coming, you are a third party.
I don't know you either. That's what I'm trying to
So,
get to.
so don't even come into our private
No,
life.
you-
Sorry, you can ask
I've been
them-
invited
you
into your
can-
private
You
life
can
because
ask
you
that
can't handle
civilized.
your
You
private
can-
life.
You are a waste of space. What goes around comes around.
Lorna,
No.
Lorna.
Whatever you get.
what was your reason for
What-
helping me get the
Whatever
visa?
you get.
Hello.
Will be.
Well,
you
but
get.
karma is real. Yeah,
Yeah,
shit
it
happens.
does. Yeah, it
Why?
does. And
No,
you
let's be
will
civilized
get-
here.
You
Let's-
will get the most
It's-
of it. No,
I-
don't tell
Echo,
me
don't-
to shush.
You don't need to shush.
It's between me and Lorna.
It
No,
was,
it was.
but you
Not
disappeared.
between
Oh, it's no
Michelle.
longer.
No,
So we don't have an issue again.
No, we don't have no issue.
Lorna, what
I
is-
want
what-
you
what do you
to
want from me?
Lose my phone number. I don't want nothing to do with you. I'm moving on with my life. Michelle can have you. Whatever she does with you is your business now. I don't want nothing to do with you again. I'm moving on. I've got my life back. You don't need to phone me anymore. Don't come by my house anymore, and don't do nothing. I don't want to see your face anymore.
When it comes to the money,
What you can keep it, because as I said, what goes around comes around. One day somebody will do the same thing to you.
the visas don't come cheap.
Don't come cheap.
Well, she helped. If she wants it back, if things have gone a bit sour,
I
you
don't
want
want
it
nothing-
back.
Echo,
I don't want nothing from you.
4 years you've been in a relationship. She helps you with the visa, and you turn around cold and distant to her like this.
No, no.
Yes.
We are big adults. If she has an issue with me
I
because
don't
she's
talk
not
about adults.
seeing me, then she just has to.
She was paying for things, helping you, supporting you.
Friends do support each other.
No, we don't.
Are you telling me I never did anything for her?
Friends don't support.
What did you do?
What did you do?
I
for
never
me?
did anything, right?
What did you
When it comes to that side,
What did you
you
do?
just got a visit and
You-
I didn't do anything.
Tell me
What did you do?
What did
Never
you do?
kept you company, never gave you
Company.
advice.
I could get
Never-
company from anywhere. My friends can keep me company. Family can keep me company. I don't need your company.
All right, okay. I never did nothing for you, thank
No,
you.
you
I never
never did
gave you any
nothing.
advice,
No.
thank you. No,
Advice.
nothing. Well, yeah, I didn't do nothing.
Advice.
I was
don't need your
just
advice.
there, licking, right?
Yeah, look, you were there just taking. That's all you do.
So, I mean, you're just talking because you're bitter. Don't be bitter.
Bitter?
Don't.
I'm not
Don't.
bitter.
Maybe she thinks I'm just not in her picture again. and
Oh,
so-
no. I deserve better than you, and I will get better than you.
Every
I
you-
don't
every-
need
you are
you.
not God, Lorna.
No, don't
It's
even
all right.
go there.
Echo, can I just ask?
Yeah, do.
I don't understand.
4 years, you guys are together.
Yeah.
She's helping, supporting. What do you talk about?
wei ne deɛ ɛyɛ ababaawa a Ecosmith asante ɛma ɔde ne nkrataa ɛbɛfaa no ɛkɔpie mu wɔ UK ɔne Ecosmith ahyia ɛyɛ ɛbrɛ a na Ecosmith ɛne ababaawa a ɔno nso yɛ broni na na ɛtu ɛyɛ mpasa na wotie ɛyɛ story na asɛm a ababaawa a ɔbɛfaa ɛyɛ Ecosmith ɛde no kɔpie UK ɛka ne sɛ abra na ɔne Ecosmith ɛdi nkɔmmɔ no deɛ na Ecosmith ɛtumi yɛ ade take which means mamisika na utie Ecosmith ne sɛ no kekara wɔ sɛ enti me so ma anye bibia afa support wa na ɔba ne sɛ deɛ na ayɛ de support wɔ sɛ I gave you an ideas me ma wadwene na kyɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ ne sɛ yɛtɔ da wondi fufuo onye sɛ yi a ɔkyerɛ kɔ bɛfa so bɛbɔ bra ɛno ɛna ɛyɛ Ecosmith ɛso etimi ɛde to ɛyɛ baba wɔ n'anim na wei ɛyɛ sad story a ɛkɔ so anaasɛ ɛnenam social media amanfoɔ ɛde ɛyɛ abranteɛ Ecosmith ho ɛyaw sɛ ɔdada ɔbaa ɛma ɔde ne nkrataa ba bɛfa no ɛde no kɔpie UK na ɛnɛ oyi ɔbaa no ase atwedeɛ no kɔfa yɛ broni fitaa na ɔne no etu mpasa na amanfoɔ anadodo no ebisa sɛ Ecosmith na ne yere ɛwɔn sɛ ɔhwɛ Ecosmith a ne yere ho ɔfɛ paa yi producer sɛ ɔwɔ hɔ afa ɛyɛ picture abranteɛ no wɔne ababaawa bi na ɔmo de ɔmo sa ato ɔmo kɔn mu no Ecosmith ne yere ankasa a waware no ɔyɛ wedded wife and also married na yere eno no na dodo na ebusa se abanti we gya na yere nkro na se domahene ne mpanimfo esanse na oba na dwen se mpanimfo no omo ayi okunu ase atwede anase okunu aba se obeboa omo ama omo afahye omo kɔ no anase omo ye no eso atima bamfa so no obepre a eye domama hene antimi amfi Kofi Adoma nwanwani we nam so ema eye asikafo a wo oman konkon Ghana mu ede omo entoma boano boy support ye brother Kofi Adoma nwanwani ama ende Kofi Adoma nwanwani onye eye for eyes view he obetima yi eye lens na space na ehye no na wo hunade na before say Kofi Adoma ko hospital to hospital na or coming back in a conclusion say nani
yes so me check mu direction you understand say e wo de amoye maame e wo sa pray emu usiafo ni nyina afi menso no e ka menso no ma ye meyere Mrs. Miracle Adoma e na na abne truba e ye nebusua a free infimfin mantemu a free Volta region from mantemu and afe omo a free and crying meda omo nyina sepa all the way Volta Keta Jelukope for meda mwasipa Clicogligi, Honina, Madame Wase, Zida family. Just say, Meda, make us a Maboa, Memory, I am for a free voter region. What you did behind the scenes, Madame Wase, the Mobile and Ofie, Nina, many so, Madame Wase pa, Tema, Newtown, Traditional Council, and Ebusia, a free Tema Newtown. Madam Wasipa, the gun side, much what strong. You were solidly behind what I went through. Madam Wasipa, Madam Wasi. A year central for Madam Wasi. Madam Wasi. In fact, the whole central region, I know why I'm saying that. Because the Amoye, it wasn't just Gomuaman for 8 Sunday cream. But the love from the central region was massive. Madam Wasi, papa. Much less, Modeshia no worry no. Neho ehiam pa na eno sa odono na mo transfer bi e de emame. Madam Wasi, go mo amanfofo nyina free ahemfo so e kopim obi e wokum obia. Mate se misi wo kra anwa a we pagya me asi akoko. Madam Wasi. The in-laws nyina, thank you so much. Lafo Olenu we Abusia nyina. Just say I will just thank the gun side, the voter side, and the central side. I am in-laws, Madam Wasi. Me side me there. Me mama me papa nyina all from Pono Bana. And I said the same family. And na that is it. Madam Wasi for the support. Na Mada Opani Ibrahim Hamasi. Opani way, it's my prayer say one day he will be able to, I don't know, probably be any night he has never thought of it to say be or be right into politics because na come on Ghana politics and be but he has shown say Oyenipa. I'm saying this because before I know Minene 8 in Koma Yeti in Nkofwa, Wapua behind the scenes and all that. And I will say, Yamin Shao, Opani Ibrahim Hama, Impo, Abra, Asemidi Kain, and Nam social media near day, Kofo card, Yombeka, Sabra no young contact. Actually, I'll contact you. I say, now then they see your grandma friend. Cardo private jet no crab family free, Domade Meba, Grass Street. Import brand here hospital to go. You said so okay, you try South Africa somewhere, and I say like you gave us up, you were there for us. Yamin show pa. I nyame one p. Abraham who say no knowing so you're related to me and an abnate truba. Now Miss you okay, like I said, me come up pano. Honey free from the family. Yamin Shao pa. Dr. Kokote, Doc, we are Emma Oma Ewo, the Jumamu. Na Oda already Abra atrenche me at home. Mekai Abra Obefi na Meteo Casem said, one airport na Womoka Chelsea or dog, Jai. Na Timo said, the meeting in Anna said, na is soon. Nipa on a warm a buyer. Timo said, we bonenia. At that time, when I said, me came because I said, will be a pranabia or no be a Nipano, a huna or monhua, it me. So at that point, I was like, I guess I don't know. And ya dick 12. Yes, but what should I say? Oh, the other. And he was said, I brace here, and I didn't want to know. I brother who footage in a year in Catania, Tesse, you attacked Okoye and Osumaye and moi, or the baboy, Yamin Shaw, and or moi, Yame, and Kosoa and Yokasi. Now, Ghana for, in fact, less than make us a member. If more houses, if memory, they make out any back on America. Airport Abrana Yedeme Crossono. Wakochina maybe a crossway, a very big man in Ghana, very big man. So, oh, what the material I mean say it here. And Yamin Shao, the love you showed.
Wei ni Kofi Adoma ensem ode ba betu dwa no ebi na yenwie yebekɔso ne atie Kofi Adoma ne nkasa ye ne nseda ana aseda na ode ma eye sikafo bi a ompa anfie ye papa Kwame despite ene eye Ibrahim Muhammad na utie ne nkasa ye mu empo ana opese o kyese tema ene odo a eye papa Ibrahim Muhammad ye President of the Republic of Ghana, Unua Ibrahim Muhammad, or was at Manintino, or Bepercent Capapano Crano, who beat my contest for your presidency, and also bit my bay on Penny or my Imunotima Boa, a high FPNTV GH, FPNTV official on all social media handles, so beat my hair, never be so. Let me come answer numbers or you might do so. Never cause near Kofi Adoma, and I sit down in Nsem or the Baba ever to just say one time in Kabua. Makram nemu ye studio ha yegusua ye hwe nsem a ebekoso social media ne asande aba som enti producer ye nto aso ne hwe Kofi Adoma ye na seda ene ne nsen kan a ode ema eye afofo no
anya on company obi won no afre Kofi so me mo ebi de kura o ma famu ewu ba kon ponte ba kon fra de tu ne bo ne nan o teshi o de no boy no I need be more case and a powder. They don't know, just particles, maybe a rare. And the first report from Doma, the second report from Accra, the other reports from the hospitals are a man, the two whom we can, the Diagra, a be an anchor de Vesino, and Yadepa. Medagana for you, sepa, much say ampa, more at the mammy. Much I say, the Amelia Crano, Madame Massy, can of win minty body. In fact, make us a meboba. Call us no so dear. They say, meet me, I can say, Menino, do and to say I can, but the soldier many more me who make me message you or a sharp. You must take a screenshot, you must zoom, no my kind, so I'm able to help myself and be a ready me every day. Make us say, why be? And see, Meda trade and Ponya Copon sick as a pa and a Ghana for and saying ya fiddy, na me yo kick a gay, oh no, we share video CB. Oh, you can 4 log a CB na oh, Yamin Sham pa a year back on say a mirabelle. Oh, a year one have a boy dear, a boy jabby because more Dawson. Oh, mammy who said, more domino, more Dawson. Pa, Yame, in Shram, pa, Momoa, Mompaye, a Mompoye, Nina, many so. Now, a brand new question in our navy say, I say, I was for free banaba. Yes, my main chemokaka. Kofi Adoma when he wore me were brekum. A year fetenta, and I say, yeah, if you want the Becassa fenta. Many tea, yeah, meet me a kai near Mammy Dini and near the Air Brekum estate. Brekum estate. Sabre no Mr. Moa Brecumone, Mecan Brekum estate are close to Brekum secondary school. And I mean, ya call camps, I say, ya cap. Then through secondary school, Brekum secondary school. Like that is where me live ya and Casa till you move ye finally be settled a worker too. Me adopt take a two. I say, be I want to America. Now, I say, me a citizen by birth because you are me American. But me, chia casadia, a banana, tibia, Mamma Democrat, so I'm here, become into Navy, and Namoyano. And there's a bad modify, Hanso and Cavonso, Ombecha will say, Omunya, Medeshia, sa. I would want to thank everybody, but that would be assay. And as you know, I said, me da, me, but me da, Nana Abne Truba, me, Mrs. Miracle Adoma, me da na se papa, Yamin Shram, Nana. First, let me post to a normal frontier here, but They are two me ama afei de bi say afei ni ate ase afei ni ate ase. And I mean fee or more yeah na akwakoji obi kunu. That is not true. And I'm kind at the right time I'll be explaining some of these things because they are true. Me now say if I don't correct some misconceptions, those misconceptions will become facts. And when you just first video, I'll be explaining myself a free and echo. And to say, Obi wa your tea and I know the name. No funny sir. You're back in 20 years. My name is Adoma. That should tell you how far we have come. Watch out, Nana. Yamin shout. Yamin shout. Papa. And so therefore, God bless you. The Boba could be on Hana Samaba. But Yamin Sham, as I come down and as we are but at Dawson said, I will keep on Mikaibia, Namadia. But that's a for what was on Pipa. Me and Casadia, you will me presbyny, your bomb, so presby, more presby, but I'm saying, and me call the apostolic church.